Hello, I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to play a 2-octave formula pattern scale in the key of C major. We're going to assume you know the notes and fingering for the key of C major. It's standard fingering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and either end on 5 or cross under 4. Left hand 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. If you look at the diagram up above, you'll see that the formula pattern is just organizing the scale into segments. It's either segments of parallel motion, which is the normal way we practice scales, or contrary motion, which we don't practice as much. The contrary motion, the fingering feels the same, by the way. So we have moving up is parallel, then out, contrary, in, contrary, up, parallel, down, parallel, out, contrary, in, contrary, and down, parallel. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock in our fingering using a short and long rhythm technique for the formula pattern. Right hand's going to come under 3, left hand over with 3, right hand under 4. Now we're going to go out. We're changing direction. Right hand keeps going up, left hand switches direction. Cross under 3, and we're going to go out to our pinkies. Now both hands change direction, come back in. Fingering's going to feel the same. Crossing with 3. Now left hand's going to keep coming up, so left hand's going to cross with 4, right hand's going to switch direction. Cross under 3, cross over with 3, back down, both hands switch direction. Now left hand's going to keep coming down, so left hand's going to cross under 4. Now we're going to go out. Right hand switches direction. Right hand's going to continue on down, left hand's going to switch direction. Now we're going to try that without rhythms. Keep in mind, right hand's going to continue on 2 octaves, so the right hand's going to have to cross under 4. So here we go. Cross under 3. Right hand keeps going, left hand switches direction. Continue up, and we're going to switch direction with the right hand. Both hands switch direction. The left hand's going to keep going down, so left hand's going to cross under. Now right hand switches, we're going out and in. Now on this one, right hand's going to keep going down, left hand's going to switch direction. Now, if you take a quick look at your chart above, you'll see the only thing that changes between 2-octave formula pattern scales and 4-octave formula pattern scales is the length of the segment. So in 2 octaves, we did 1 octave up, out, in, up, down, out, in, and down. Now we're just we'll start 1 octave apart, but our first segment will be 2 octaves, then 2 octaves out, 2 octaves in, 2 octaves up, down, out, in, and down. So we're working in 2-octave segments. Here we go. Cross with 4. Now right hand keeps going, left hand changes direction. Fingering here will feel the same. Cross under 3, and on pinky both hands changes direction. Now left hand is going to keep coming, right hand's changing direction. Both hands change direction. Now left hand's going to go down, right hand up. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play formula pattern scales 2 and 4 octaves in the key of C major. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.